Hi everyone, so nice to be here. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about brain health, about keeping your brain healthy. And there are some different things we can do to actually look after your brain as we age and all through our life cycle. The very first one is to stay connected. Exactly what you're all doing today. Get together with other people, maintain your networks, stay connected to other people and to your community. The second thing that we can all do is keep moving. We know that exercise is really good for our bodies, but exercise is also really good for your brain as well. Anything that looks after your heart, looks after your health, is going to help your brain. Some of the things that can affect our bodies can affect our brain at the same time. So staying healthy, keeping moving, doing some exercise, going for a walk with friends, playing a game of tennis, or going along to exercises is another thing you can do to help your brain stay healthy. The third thing you can do is look after your senses. You might be interested to know that hearing loss and sight loss can cause isolation for people. And isolation, as we know, can be a contributor to poor brain health and may end in one of the dementias. People who look after their eyes, look after their ears, are much more likely to stave off some of the dementias later in life. Not all dementias are preventable, but some of the vascular dementias can be prevented or at least assisted. The fourth thing you can do is look after your heart health. Anything that's good for your cardiovascular system is good for your brain. So get your heart checked, go to your GP regularly, and again, maintain some exercise, eat well, all those things they tell us to do. Stay well, don't smoke, don't drink, and try not to put on excess weight. They can all help our brain as well as our hearts. The second last thing we can do is to keep learning. Stay curious. Get involved. And that doesn't just mean doing 5 Sudokus or 5 crosswords a day. It means getting out there and learning things about other people, being involved in new projects, getting out there and doing some of the many things that are available in the Shire of Yarra Ranges today, just like today's exercise. Stay learning, stay curious. The last thing you can do is to look after yourself by resting and resetting. People who get good quality sleep are caring for their brain as well. And during the night when you are sleeping is when those brain cells get a chance to regenerate. So not only do you feel better after a good night's sleep, but people with really good sleep hygiene, people who sleep over 6 or 7 hours a night every night, are much more likely to have a better overall health. And it's another thing we can do to look after the brain. So that was just some tips about how you can look after your own brain health, and hopefully being involved today has given you some other pointers. Thanks so much. I've been Sarah from Caledonia Dementia Care. See ya.